Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we would learn how to solve the practice problem number of pattern. So first we would understand the question and then we would solve it. So basically in this question we would be given a value n. For example, it is 3 and we need to form a pattern using it. What kind of pattern? See carefully. So this is like row number 1, then 2, then 3. Okay. Now the pattern is first 1 would come. Okay. Then in the second line what would come? In the second line it would be 1, 2, 1. Okay, 1, 2, 1. Now in the third line it would be 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this kind of pattern should be printed and the output would be like this: 1, 1, 2, 1 and 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I hope the pattern and question is clear to you. Now let's move forward to the solution part. What you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, choose school. Okay, then find the problem number of pattern. Okay, so I hope this part is clear to you. Now let's move forward to the solution. Okay, here is the question. Let's read it. For a given number n, print the pattern in the following form. If n is 4, okay, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I hope the question is clear to you and we would be coding it over here. Okay, so let's start. 1 minute. Okay, so let's code it. Enter. Okay, so first I am creating a empty list, that is display. Okay, 1 minute. Next I am applying a for loop for I in range circular brackets 1 comma n plus 1, right? Because we cannot go till n, right? Because it's n minus 1 then for range, right? So that is why plus 1, so that we can stop at n. Enter. Now new, again a empty list. Okay, enter. Then for j, another loop. Okay, in range. Okay, j's range is from I comma I plus 1, right? Then colon, enter, new dot append. We are adding this in the new list. Okay, 1 minute. Append. Then circular bracket. What are we appending? String of j, right? Then enter. Next is display. Okay, so DSP, that is the list that we created above. Dot append. Okay, in that we are appending something. What? Colon, not colon, that is, hashes. Dot join. Okay, then what? New. Then after new what? New plus new. Okay, now slicing method. Okay, slicing is -2 colon -1, that is in negative values. So basically over here, for example, I have n equal to 3, so it is like 1, then 1, 2, 1, right? Then it is 1, 2, 3, then 2, 1, right? It is something like this. We are now applying slicing for the other half, okay, for the back end. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Now let's move forward. Okay, enter. Now finally I just need to return with the value of disp. Okay, now I need to check. 1 minute. The spelling of return is wrong. Now I need to check if my solution is correct or not. So I would click on compile and run. Let's wait. Compilation is completed and my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the given problem. Let's wait. Problem is solved successfully and this is how you solve the practice problem number pattern. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel. And thank you for joining me today. Thank you.